Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can zoom in as well as zoom out into your whiteboard presentations on Miro or into your timelines, Kanbans, and so on and so forth, guys. So this is how you can do it. So as you can see, we're on that board here, and there are two ways how you can zoom in, zoom out, guys. Option number one, you use this or these buttons in the bottom right corner, zoom out and zoom in with that minus and plus button. Click into it to either zoom out or to zoom in to your board, as you can see. So that's option number one. Option number two would be to simply press and hold left control on your keyboard, or it should be left command if you're using a Mac. Hold it and simply use your mouse wheel just like that. Move it back. Or for example, to either zoom in or zoom out. And that's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.